Hi guys! Ngayon po pala ipapakita ko sa inyo ang aking bag at laman ng aking bag. So, simulan natin dito sa malaki.
Okay.
Ang laman niya is notebook.
Ilang notebook yan?
Ito po diary, mape, mathematics, science, educational,
ESP. Edukasyon sa papakatao.
Tas AP, Araling Panlipunan, Pilipino, and the next is mother tongue, and the last one is Filipino.
Guys, itong mga sticker na to is nabili lang sa shop, sa Lazada. Yung link, i-comment namin sa baba. Okay.
And papakita ko po sa inyo. Madami pa po ako. Ito.
Ano yan? Intermediate pad. Intermediate pad. Ito yung ata yung para sa mga activity nila. Next.
And papel.
Right. Ayan, papel. Ano to?
Grade 3.
Grade 3 siya. Pilot section siya.
And ang last na laman nito, crayon.
Crayon. So, tingin nga niya.
I'm gonna open.
Wow. Saan mo nabili yung lagayan?
Sa Everwhere.
Dito lang pala sa akin napili. Ayun, maganda siya. Para kasi yung pag-box kasi, madaling masira. Pag bukas-bukas siya, masisira yung box. Kaya ito na lang maganda, guys.
Tapos ibalik na natin. And next, ito.
Ano kayang naman yan?
Face mask.
Face mask. Huwag kalimutan ang face mask.
And then last, I have some more here. This is my face mask, cinnamon roll.
Again, cinnamon roll.
And no, something like this.
What's that?
Look.
Heart.
Shapes. And the last one is that. It's beautiful.
Next.
The next, my wallet.
Wow, it's also cinnamon roll.
Look, it's photo card.
It's photo card of Blackpink.
And have money.
Wow, 40 pesos. You don't need a money. May baon ka naman eh. Diba?
And this is my...
Ano yan, wipes?
And this is the wipes.
But let me see your wipes. Okay, wipes.
And this is flashlight.
Flashlight, guys. Kailangan din talaga to. Lalo na kapag nag-brown out sa school.
Ang anti-mosquito.
Ay! Nalaglag! Saan mo to nabili?
Shopee.
Sa shop. Yung bango. Kailangan yan, guys, para sa mga bata talaga, para hindi sila lamukin. Kasi, di ba, kawawa.
I have some.
Ayun, oh. Kawawa naman kasi kung, di ba, baka makagat ng mosquito.
And next, I have this.
What's that?
Sticker and keychain.
Sure.
And
This is unnecessary.
And
Correction
this,
tape.
I have more.
What's that?
And correction.
You have 3 correction tape in different colors, which is color blue, pink, and purple.
It's cinnamon roll. And this is cinnamon roll.
Ruler.
And then next is the last. Oh,
What's that?
pambilog.
Pang circle. Ano yata tawag dito? It's also...
And I have 4 eyeliner.
Yung eyeliner sa mata yun!
This
Highlighter.
1, 2, 4.
Wow. You're only grade 3, you're not high school yet. But your gamit is so dami.
And this
What's
is
that?
my pencil case, cinnamon roll.
You love cinnamon roll, no?
And this is
You have a lot of pencil. You have pambura, eraser.
and pencil.
Wow. Okay.
And that is it. Bye bye.